Hello everyone. In last video we have completed exercise 4.3 and I hope you have revised that exercise. Now we will start exercise 4.4 in which we will discuss minors and cofactors. So look at first topic, minor. How will you find out minor of any determinant? Okay, suppose a determinant is given 2, -4, 0, 3. This is matrix, but for finding determinant, for finding minors, we have to write in the form of determinant. So this element is called A11. Okay, this lies in first row, first column. So this is A11, this is A12, this is A21, and this is A22. Okay, these four elements are given and we have to find out minors of these. So firstly we will find minor of this A11. So it is called M11. Minor of A11 is M11. So minor of A1 is equal to A11 is equal to, how will you find out minor of A11? A11 is 2. How will you find its minor? Related column elements and related row elements, leave these. What is left here? 3. So this element is 3. Now we will find a minor of A12. This element is A12 and then we will leave this and leave this. Which is left? 0. So this is 0. Now we will find minor of A21. A21 is 0 element. So we will find minor of this. So leaving these elements and these elements, what is here? -4. Clear? Now we will find minor of this element. This is A22. So how will you find out minor? M22 is equal to minor of A22. We will leave these elements and this element. So what is left? 2. So these are the minors. Now cofactors. We will find cofactors of 2 by 2 matrix. How will you find out cofactors? Cofactor formula is, for this matrix is A. So then we will write Aij. Ai is capital Aij. -1 raised to power I plus j mij. -1 raised to power I plus j mij. Suppose we want to find out A11. We will find A11, A12, A21, A22. These my cofactors. Okay. So Aij is equal to -1 raised to power I plus j. Suppose I want to find out A11. Then this formula is -1 raised to power I plus j. I at the place of I is 1. At the place of j it is 1. So 1 plus 1 M11. Mij means M11. Okay. So -1 raised to power 2. It is -1 raised power even, so it is plus. And M11 is 3. Then we will write M11 is 3. So we will write 3. So what is answer? +3. Now we will find A12. It means cofactor of A12. This element cofactor. Okay. So how will you find -1 raised to power 1 plus 2? And minor of M12 is 0. So we will write here. So it is -1 raised power 3 is negative into 0 is 0. So A21. Now we will find A21. So -1 raised power 2 plus 1. And M21 is -4. So we will write as it is. So it is minus of -4. It will be +4. Because -1 power 3 it is negative. And -4 is this, minus into minus plus. So +4. Then we will find A22 -1 raised by 2 plus 2 into M22. M22 is 2. Then it will be +2. Now, if you want to, if the question is just find out cofactors, then no need to find out minors. You will find directly cofactors. How will you find out? By using formula. If you want to find out A11, then -1 raised by 1 plus 1 into, look, A11. It means you want to find out a cofactor of this. Then leave these elements, leave these elements. So what is left? 3. So -1 raised to power 2, it means positive into 3. Then direct answer is +3. -1 raised to power 2 is positive, into 3 is 3. Okay. Now come to next question. I am taking second question, first part. I am taking 3 by 3 matrix, whose determinant is A determinant 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is identity matrix, you know. We want to find out minors and cofactors of this. So how will you find out minor and cofactors? Firstly, write down elements. This is A11, this is A12, this is A13, this is A21, this is A22, this is A23, This is A31, this is A32, this is A33, and you know about these elements because you read in first exercise. Okay. Okay, now we will find minors and cofactors of this 3 by 3 matrix. Then how will you find out minors? Similar, same. M11. M11 is minor of A11. So how will you find out minor of this? Leave these elements and related row elements and column, and what is left? 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1. So I am taking this. So 1 into 1 1 minus 0. So answer is 1. Then we will find M12. M12 is minor of M12. How will you find out minor of this element? Leaving these elements and related row elements. So what is left? 0 0 0 1. So 0 0 0 1, 0 into 1 0, minus 0 into 0 0, so it will be 0. Similarly we will find M13, M221, M22, M23, M31, M32, M33. You will find all these. Okay, now we will find cofactors. Cofactors, how will you find out cofactors? Minus 1 raised by, if you want to find out A11, it means cofactor of A11. Okay, so A11 is minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 1, and you can write M11 as it is 1 as it is, or you can take directly by using this matrix. So minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 1 into leaving these elements and these elements, what is left? 1 0 0 1. Okay, then what is answer? Minus 1 raised to power 2, it is positive, it will be 1 into 1 minus 0. Answer is 1. Then we will find A12. A12 is minus 1 raised to power. You can find directly if you have found M12. Minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 2 into M12 is 0. Then you will take directly 0, or you can find in this way. Okay, minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 2 into, what is left here? Leaving these elements and first row elements, what is left? 0 0 0 1. So you will write 0 0 0 1. 0 into 1 0, minus 0 into 0 0. Then what is A12? 0. A13 minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 3. Then if you want to find out A13, cofactor of this one, then leaving these elements and these elements, what is left here? 0 1 0 0. Then you will take 0 1 0 0. Then 0 minus 0, it is 0. Okay, similarly you will find all these. You can take as it is, no need to take plus minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 1 here. You can take directly A11 is equal to plus into 1001. Why you are taking positive here? Because minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 1, it will be even, it is even, so minus 1 raised to power 2 positive. 1 2, 1 2 means 1 plus 2 3, then you will take minus here. 1 3, you will take minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 3, it is positive here, then no need to take this one, you can take directly plus sign here. 2 1, 2 plus 1 3, it means minus 1 raised to power 3, you can take directly to a minus sign here. Okay, similarly in all these. Now look at third question. Using cofactors of elements of second row. Using cofactors of elements of second row. It means you have to just find out cofactor of this row. Evaluate delta. Evaluate delta. In first exercise, you have found the determinant value by using any row or any column. Okay. In this, we will find value of delta by using second row elements. Okay. Then what is the formula for finding the determinant of second column? Delta is determinant of second column. So how will second row? Sorry. By using second row, how will you find out delta? This element is A21. This element is A22, and this element is A23. This is 1. Okay, how will find out delta by using this row elements? A21 into cofactor of this. Okay, so A21 into cofactor of this plus A22 into cofactor of this plus A23 is the cofactor of this. This is the value of determinant. This is the value of, you can find the value of determinant by using element into cofactor plus element into cofactor plus element into cofactor. It means sum of product of element into cofactor. Sum of product of element into cofactor of any row or any column. So What is A21? You know. But A2, how will you find out A21? It is cofactor of this element. So cofactor of this element, how will you find out? A21 is minus 1 raised to power 2 plus 1. Okay, 2 plus 1 into what will come? We want to find out cofactor of this. So leaving these elements and these elements, what is left? 3823. 3823. So 3 threes are 9 minus 16. So minus, it is minus 1 power 3, it is minus 1. 9 in minus 16 is minus 7. So minus into minus plus 7. Similarly, you will find A22, A23. Then you will put in this. You will find the value of delta. This is 7. Okay, clear or not? And now next, uh, if we will multiply any row, suppose first row elements and second or third row cofactors, element cofactor. If you will multiply these and add these, then value of determinant will always 0. If you will multiply any row elements and cofactor of any other row and add these, then value of determinant always 0. Okay. Now you have to complete this exercise, do example 19, 20, 21 and 22 and do questions for second part, fourth and fifth of exercise 4.4.